Okay. So check that your answer for R, S, and T is like that. Oh, questa. Then after that, for position vector, you want to know that position vector actually means for reference. The position vector of P will be taken with the reference with respect to the reference point O. So if I tell you position vector of P is 2, 1, you must be able to tell me OP is equal to 2, 1. You must be able to tell me the coordinate of P is 2, 1. Okay? Now let's go to the first example. Given that given that P coordinate is this. So can you underline this and tell me OP equals to what? 2, -3. This will be OQ. This is 4, 1. Do you follow? Now, then I want PQ as a column vector. So I write, so PQ, now you help me, equals to something plus something. What plus what? Is it OP plus OQ? Can I write OP plus OQ? Change what position? The O and O must be together, right? So this is wrong. This is wrong. So Darren, how should I write? Don't know. Change the sign, but I only want to deal with plus. So let's try. It must start with P, right? Now let me teach you how to do it this way. Now, because I start with P, I must start with P. Because I end with Q, I must end with Q. And these two interchange must be same or different? Same lah, right? So if I write like that, it becomes very simple. Now let's look at the numbers. How do we add together? How should I write PO? Is it 2, -3? It will be negative of 2, -3 plus 4, 1. Do you follow? Again, why is it negative? Because, why is it negative? Because this is a negative vector. Now, let's go back to OP. If OP is equal to 2, -3, what is PO? Negative of this, isn't it? And if I simplify, it will be -2, 3, isn't it? Right? This is what we learned the other time. So then what's my final answer? This will be -2, 3 plus 4, 1. And what's my final answer? 2, 4. Hashtag. This is my PQ. Okay? Now I go on. B. Translated to this vector. Translated means move by the translation vector of this. Now, do you know what it means? So, can you help me write this? So 9, 6 or 9 -6 actually means a few things. Number one, 9 -6 means I start from what? I start from A. I end with B. Now, how did the A to B move? I move 9 steps. Can you help me write? This is 9 to the right. And this is what? 6 downwards. Now, if I want to credit to a coordinate, this 9 is it X or Y axis? Again, if I want to say 9 units, is it horizontal or vertical? Horizontal. So this is my X axis. This is my Y axis. Isn't it? So which means I will walk from 9 units to the right, 6 units to down. Okay? Now, let's talk about this question in a vector way. Now, can you underline the word coordinate of B and tell me if coordinate of B, I want to find a vector. What will be the vector name called? Multiple choice. AB, OA, AO, BO. Wow, too many. Okay, again, now I want to call coordinate of B using a vector. What will be the name of coordinate of B? OB. Why? Because on top here, remember I said Whenever I give you coordinate, you must be able to tell me it is OP. You must be able to tell me their position vector. So now I give you coordinate of P. I give you coordinate of P. I give you this. Then you must tell me the name is actually called OP. Do you follow? Do you follow? So now I ask you again. I want coordinate of B. What is the name of the vector? OB. Very good. I want OB. Now, if I have AB, can I find OB? How? How do I break up AB into two vectors add together? It must be AO plus OB. Understand? AO plus OB, and this is 9 minus 6. And what is AO? So maybe you want to write down OA is negative 5, 3. Do you follow? So negative of this will be negative 5, negative 5, then 3 plus OB equals to 9 minus 6. I want to find OB. What must I do to this? AO. Bring over. So OB will be 9 minus 6 plus negative 5, 3. You notice I do very slowly. I never even multiply the negative inside. No need. If you do, can. But make sure your final answer is 4, negative 3. Can I hashtag here? No, because they want coordinate. So last step, coordinate of B is 4 comma negative 3. The worst thing can happen is you get to this step and then you say the coordinate is negative 3, 4. Then I die. So don't do that. Okay? Seven minutes. Okay, do your practice. Sorry. Okay, do your practice one. Do your practice one. I start already. Okay, check your practice one answer. So I want to talk about the magnitude. I say that PQ is negative 2, 3. So PQ is negative 2, then I move 3 units, and this is Q. Now, can you tell me how to find the length? Pythagoras theorem. Now, you don't need to draw the diagram. All you need to do is you need to understand that it is just square root of this number plus this number. What are the two numbers? You just need to remember is square root of the first number plus square root of the second number. Then you will get the answer. And what is the answer? 3.6. 0555. Thank you. And then you round up 3.61 units. Okay. I might as well finish. OR, what's the answer, Nixon? You don't know. 70. 70. You mean like 70? Okay. Who need me to go through? No need. It's correct, huh? Because